Oh, ew, that was so weird. I need to stop. I am happy. I have a problem. We're back. What I got today? Guess what I got today? Hey, I got the Jeffree Star and Shane Dawson Conspiracy Palettes. I am so excited. I had a rough night. Halloween was freezing and I just feel like it was, I didn't have a great Halloween. I mean, it wasn't terrible. It was fun. I got to hang out with my friends, but it was just cold and a miserable night. And yeah, so I woke up this morning feeling like crap, but I knew that I had to go grab this at the Morphe store. So a Morphe store opened up in Georgia maybe a month ago or 2 months ago, I'm not really sure, but it opened up and I'm so happy because I got my hands on this so early. Usually I have to order things online and it's just a hassle, so I'm so excited. So today's video is going to be a full-on first impressions and review on the new Shane Dawson x Jeffree Star Cosmetics collab, and I can't wait to get into this palette. I did swatch a few colors in the store and it was so pigmented and so amazing. They actually feel a lot better than Jeffree's other palettes. I don't know, maybe, I don't know. So I'm really excited to dip into it. And then I also got the gloss, and I don't know, I love a glossy, just a plain gloss moment. I think it's so cute and it's so me. So I'm so happy they came out with a clear gloss. And also the name, so iconic. Shane Glosson. Why can't I say that normal? Shane Glosson. There we go. I just love it so much. And I even picked up my friend one. Well, he Venmo'd me, but still, I picked him up one. And yeah, so I'm gonna be trying out the full Conspiracy palette and the gloss. And yeah, we'll just get straight into this video. Okay, so, oh yeah, please excuse this. It was a pimple and I picked it off and now it's a big, giant, scar, and it looks terrible, but I have a problem. I can't help it. Every time I get a pimple, I pop it and I just try to get rid of it, but that is the worst thing you can do. So do not pop your pimples. You do not want them to look like this. I also put concealer on it, which you're not supposed to do either, but whatever. Anyways, we're gonna start off with all the swatches from the Conspiracy palette. I'm so excited to swatch this. Eee. Okay. Okay, so when you open it up, it's kind of hard. Okay, so when you, oh my goodness, why won't this come out? Oh, I think it's because this part is raised, so the box is super tight. I mean, I'm not mad about it. I don't really care. So you're gonna open it up. Ah, so cute. I love it. This is definitely a Shane and Jeffree moment. If both of them literally had a baby, I think this is what it would look like. So I think this is perfect. I think they nailed it. I have also been watching the series, so I was so excited to get my hands on this. I was do I need it? No. Do I want it? Yes, because I just love both of them so much. They're amazing, amazing people. So anyways, onto the palette. Oh my goodness, I love it. I don't want to touch it. I just want to look at it. So cute. I love how they went with the matte and then the shiny, and it makes it look like a spiral, and then Conspiracy, and then I love how they added his new logo right here. So cute. Okay, so yeah, on the back it just gives his Instagram, his YouTube, basic stuff about the palette on the back. So let me just pause that so you can check that out. And then here's a close-up of the front. Okay, and then I love how these are black, so cute. And then you're just gonna pop them open like that, and I'll let you guys look at it first before me. What? So stunning! These are these called stamps? The things that are pushed in? The stamps are so iconic. This pig, adorable. The eye, the Illuminati. Ooh, Illuminati! Okay, I'm sorry. I need to stay on track because I am getting distracted. Anyways, so I'm about to swatch all of these for you guys and then we'll get on to doing a look. Ew, that was so weird. I need to stop. Okay, so for the first row, we have Ranch, My Pills, Tanacon, Diet Root Beer, Just a Theory, and Spiraling. For the next row, we have Conspiracy, Pigment, Food Videos, Trisha, Cheese Dust, and Flaming Hot. For the last row, we have What's the Tea, Diet Cola, Not a Fact, Sleep Paralysis, Illuminati, My Ride's Here. Alright, so there are all the swatches. I actually wanted to tell you guys which ones I thought felt really good just by touch, and the ones that I thought, weren't that great or didn't swatch as well. This doesn't mean that the eyeshadows are going to be applied bad on the eyes. I'm just strictly saying these are the ones that felt so buttery and creamy, and these were the ones that didn't really swatch as well. So to start off, this one right here, Just a Theory, is literally so beautiful. I'm gonna have to use that in some type of way because that is probably my favorite color in this palette. It's such like a unique rose gold color, but I don't know, I can't explain it, but it's so stunning and I love how buttery it feels. Also, Diet Cola is absolutely stunning. I've never seen a color like this in a palette before, actually. Back in the day when I first started wearing makeup for cheer competitions, there was these little, what company was it? I want to say Maybelline, maybe CoverGirl, one of the two. They had eyeshadow duos and it was a circle, split down the middle, and one side was black and one side had a color just like this. I was obsessed with it and this reminds me so much of it, but better. So this color is awesome. So the shade Sleep Paralysis and Illuminati are so stunning for these darker shimmers, and they both like swatched so amazingly. I can't wait to try those out on the eyes as well. Now I have 4 shades that are the pressed pigments, and of course these are going to be a little more drier, a little more harder to work with, but I'm not saying these are bad. Okay, so the ones that didn't swatch as well was Food Videos, Cheese Dust, and Flaming Hot. These are the pressed pigments, so of course they're going to swatch a little different. What's the Tea was also feeling a little bit dry, but honestly this doesn't mean that it will apply bad to the eyes. Now we're going to move on to applying the eyeshadows. I'm going to just start off with a primer. I'm using the P. Louise base in 02, and I'm just going to apply this to my eyes. I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Okay, so now that my eyes are primed and ready to go, I am going to apply the first shade, which is going to be Tanacon. I think this is a perfect cream transition shade to start off your look. Alright, so before we start, I wanted to share this brush with you guys because it is the best brush ever. I used it for the first time the other day, and it's a blending brush from the Morphe x Jeffree Star collection. It's actually the JS8, and it's so soft. It blends out my eyeshadow so well. Highly, highly recommend, and it's only $7. Sorry, I just wanted to throw that in there because this is such an amazing brush. I'm just gonna take Tanacon on my blending brush and then just tap it off and then blend it into the crease. Oh, I'm nervous. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. So my reaction to the first shade is actually really great. I love this Tanacon shade. Even when I use a different palette, I feel like I'm gonna dip into Tanacon sometimes because this is just the most perfect transition shade for me. It blended out so easily, and I actually have these like little areas right here where it's like super dry and eyeshadow usually clings onto it. I have really bad eczema all over my body, so this is just like a little flare up, and it usually makes my eyeshadow look kind of not blended out. But this actually looks really nice even on top of my dry areas. So yes, I love Tanacon so much. I'm going to continue using this in my everyday routine when I do eyeshadow looks. All right, so the next shade I am going to take is the shade Root Beer. I'm just going to take the same brush and just blend this right below Tanacon. Place, but you have no town. It's like we Alright, so the next shade I am going to take is Not a Fact, and honestly this color did not swatch as well as I hoped, but hopefully it'll work out on my eyes because this is a stunning purple maroony color and I am obsessed with it.
Same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking.
Okay, so next I'm going to take My Ride Is Here and just blend that into the outer corner.
Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe.
Okay, so after that, I really want to dip into Sleep Paralysis, I think, or Illuminati. I feel like both would look kind of cute, like maybe Illuminati right there, and then on the inner side do Sleep Paralysis. That could be kind of cute. Let me try it. All right, so I'm just gonna take Illuminati and put it right in the middle of the lid area. Ooh, so pretty. All right, so now I'm gonna take Sleep Paralysis and put that on the inner lid area. Okay, so next I'm going to take this shade Diet Cola and put that in the inner corners. Okay, so I think that's about it, what I'm going to do with the eyes. I'm gonna go finish up the rest of my face makeup, add some lashes, maybe, and then I'll be right back to give you my final thoughts on the eyeshadow palette. Okay, yay, we're back, and what was I gonna say? We're back. All right, so here we have it, the final look minus the lip, and guys, one thing, before I talk about the look and the palette, I want to tell you guys how long I've been doing makeup and how many times I've tried to apply false lashes, but the day has finally come. I put on my false lashes perfectly. Yep, you heard it. I put them on perfectly today. I had no trouble with the inner corner, the outer corner, and I am happy. So yeah, anyways, this eyeshadow look is absolutely gorgeous. I love how it turned out. I would have never thought to put these colors together, but honestly, I love it. It's so cute and I'm obsessed. Now to move on to the lippies, I actually want to do something fun, and I want to put Illuminati, which is this green shimmer shade, all over my mouth just to see what it would look like. I'm kind of scared because I saw, who did I see? I don't know. I saw someone use one of the shades as a lipstick and I was like, oh my god, that's kind of cute, so. Oh my goodness, look how cool that is. Ugh, this look is like such like an alien, like Area 51 makeup look. Anyways, I'm just gonna wipe this off. I just wanted to see what the Illuminati looks like on the lips, and so cool, so stunning. If they made this and a liquid lipstick shade, ugh, that would be so like unique and so cool. Anyways, let me wipe this off. Okay, now to get out the gloss. Eee! Okay, let's pull it out. Oh, so pretty. Look how cute. Oh my goodness, I'm obsessed. This packaging though, stunning. Okay, let's see if it has a scent. Oh my god, what is that? Is that cola? Is that root beer? It's root beer! It's root beer! It smells like root beer! I love it. I love it. Already. I don't even have to put it on. I love it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love it. I love it. Y'all. Sorry. I'm from Georgia, so sometimes I say y'all and people are like, y'all? I'm like, yes, y'all. But y'all, this gloss is poppin'. Oh my goodness. It's so juicy and just, oh, I just want to eat it. Okay, so now to talk more about the palette. I didn't even tell you guys the price in the beginning. The palette was $52 and I got it at Morphe. You could not use a code on this just because it is Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Do I think this is worth the money? I do, yes. I think this is a very gorgeous palette and the quality is there. Now, do I think you need this palette? No, I do not. Just because it is a more fun colored palette. There are colors in here that you can wear on an everyday basis, like the Root Beer and the Tanacon. Yes, those are like everyday shades. Just a Theory, you can wear that every day. Like, this is a very wearable palette. And then you can also have like fun pops of color, like this neon yellow, this pink color, this blue, what's the tea color. Like, I think this is a really great palette, but if you are someone that only wears super like easy neutral shades every single day, I don't know if you need to buy this, if that makes sense. So yeah, and the gloss, go buy it. I'm not kidding. That is like an amazing gloss. It smells like root beer and it just looks so gorgeous. Like, get the gloss. It is so good. Anyways, that is it. Oh, the gloss is $18. Okay, so that is it. Sorry if this video was crazy because I am just in a weird mood today, but yeah, so is that everything? I think that's everything. Oh, I was trying to tell you guys this earlier and then I forgot. So I actually mixed together Just a Theory and Diet Soda and I used it as my highlighter, and look how stunning. It like brings the look together and it's so pretty. Look at that. Ignore my neck acne. So I thought this whole series and products and like behind the scenes of how this palette got made was the most genius idea ever. It was so entertaining. I absolutely loved it. I can't wait to see the rest of the series. I'm so happy for the both of them, and congratulations on this wonderful line. I wish I could try the other items, but it just wasn't. Right now, I don't think the other things were worth my money just because I have so much makeup. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe, all of that good stuff, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!